Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to record TikTok videos with hands-free. There is one trick on TikTok that allows users to record videos without having to press and hold the button. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Log into your TikTok account and click on the plus button on the main toolbar. Once the camera screen opens, find the timer icon on the right-hand side and press on it. Now you can select a 3-second or 10-second countdown option. After that, choose how long you want your video to be by dragging the end of a timeline. Once you're ready to start recording, hit the Start Shooting button at the bottom of the screen. Now you may add a sound, use effects and filters, insert stickers and write something on your video if you want. When you're happy with your video, tap Next and post your video on TikTok. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to record TikTok videos with hands-free. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.